2021 BMW R100RT First Ride. BMW's touring boxer gets even better. When it appeared in 1976, the BMW R100RT model was the relaxed sister of the elegant and much sleeker R100RS. The R100RT was a fully dressed touring bike and featured a protective fairing derived from that of the R100RS, built fatter and fitted with a large straight-up windshield. The R100RS faded away by 1984, but the R100RT held on, as it was highly functional and fulfilled the needs of a good percentage of motorcyclists. When the new 1996 R1100 Boxer Twin replaced the last of the classics, the /7, the R1100RT was the flagship of the R1100 model's range. It offered the same comfort and weather protection that made the original R100RT a success, but with a much more aerodynamic shape that bridged the designs of the previous RT and the R100RS. The RT model evolved steadily from there until the latest GS models took over the role of company flagship, but its unmatched efficiency and wonderful road manners meant it never faded into the background. The 2018 adoption of the 136 horsepower, 1,250 cubic centimeters, DOHC, 4-valve boxer gave new credibility to the RT's performance potential. Now BMW Motorrad has further enhanced the model's appeal, offering an attractive 2021 edition with state-of-the-art technological advances. The new R1250RT is an absolute technological wonder, perhaps the most advanced motorcycle in the touring domain, and most importantly, it's extremely easy to use. The R1250RT is equipped with two electronic suites, one to manage the bike's dynamic functions and one managing the sophisticated engine. The two are fully interconnected, but I still rate them as two separate units given the multitude of functions they perform, both independently and cooperatively. The Dynamic Function Suite is based on the latest Bosch 6-axis inertial platform, the most advanced unit available, dedicated to ensuring safety and comfort levels never before offered. The evolution of the anti-lock brakes provides a good example. With the new full integral ABS Pro system, the rider can activate the entire braking system with either the right-hand lever or the pedal. Both dual 320mm front rotors and their Hayes 4-piston calipers and the rear 276mm rotor and 2-piston floating caliper apply braking force from rider input, but also take into account the lean angle of the bike, cornering ABS, to automatically calibrate the amount of decelerative force applied to each wheel, calculating weight transfer in consequence of the braking force applied. This global ability to modulate the brakes frees the rider from the additional stress of worrying about lockup or running wide. The renewed dynamic traction control is further improved to ensure maximum control under all riding conditions. Dynamic traction control includes hill start control and can be integrated with the addition of the optional Riding Modes Pro, which offers 4 riding modes including dynamic mode for a more spirited riding style and engine drag torque control under deceleration. There is also Eco Mode, conceived to optimize fuel consumption when riding on open roads or highways.